Doo 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 doo. I feel like putting on putting my spikes on trade. Yeah, I'll put those on trade. Okay. There we go. All my spikes are on trade. So my nerd glasses and all this beautiful art. Wow. I think I'm gonna now go on my other account and I'm gonna see if my list looks nice, cause I gotta have my list that's looking nice and fancy. Am I right? Okay, so let's log on to my spare account and whoop. Oh my, what the hell? Free membership. What? Oh my god. Free one. Oh my goodness. What the heck is this? That's amazing. Become every animal, adopt adorable pets. I never thought this day would come. Wow. Sapphires and gifts on Play Wild. If only I had an actual account on Play Wild for the spare account. I only have my main account, which is Glorialia. Oh my god. I just got membership on my spare account. I am so happy. Oh my god. Imagine if I get spikes from this. I'll be so happy. Okay, what do I get? Yes, and I'll get to wear this. What the hell? I'm so happy right now. Congratulations, your Animal Jam membership comes packed with tons of awesome features. You told me that already. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. I am a member. I am a member. I'm so happy. But why? How did this ever happen to me? Why me? I need... Oh my goodness. What? I still don't understand. Why? Well, thank you, people. I'm gonna make this match my outfit now. Oh, yes. I can't believe it. Wow. The day has come. My spare account has a free membership. I can play Forgotten Desert with this account now. Oh my goodness. But if you say I'm such a special person on this account, why can I not talk? Okay. Breathe. I need more gems. I am seriously poor. Oh my goodness. How much for the gems? It's loading. Oh my goodness. Load. There. Oh. It's opposite. Okay. I need diamond to buy all this stuff. Oh my goodness. I am really happy, if you couldn't tell. I'm so happy. I can't buy any of these. Oh my goodness, how did this even happen? Well, let's at least check if my list looks good. Okay, let's see. Tail spikes are in order. Okay, yeah, my list looks pretty good. Okay. But still, why am I a member right now? I don't deserve this. All I do is collect toys. Well, you know what I'm gonna do now. What were to happen if you know how there's a glitch with the sheep cloak where apparently you can gift it and then it turns to magenta? I wanna see if that works. Okay, let's see how many outfits I'm going to ruin quickly. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, And I think that's it. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. Okay. 10 outfits I will ruin. I don't know if I want to try this. Oh. Well, good for you. Okay. I'm gonna do it. Okay. What am I doing? I don't know. Okay. I swear, if this works, I will be, that will be amazing, actually. Because if we go on Animal Jam rarity, I hear there are 65 black lines, but I don't think that's really true. Okay, sheep cloak. Send. I just ruined so many outfits. Okay. Oh my goodness, I have it. Oh my goodness. And it's just a normal sheep cloak. Well maybe if I give, oh, what the heck is that glitch? What the? How if I gift it back to you? Okay, now I'm gonna gift the sheep cloak back. Don't want the sheep cloak. No. Well, that's sad. Okay, gonna send it back to you. Oh my god, one gift answer. And maybe it will turn magenta. It didn't. Oh. Well, I'm sad now. 10 outfits. 10 outfits. 10. Oh my god, that one looks so naked. These outfits look so naked without that beloved sheep cloak. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, and also I just realized something. What? Okay, whatever. I just realized something. You know how I got a membership because of this? It says level 2 when one referred friend becomes a member, and I got my 1 week membership, but where's my 15 diamonds? Animal Jam, where's my 15 diamonds? I need my diamonds. Where? Okay. Also, I realized how many mannequins I just ruined. What I did was a really bad idea, and don't try it. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this girl's mad. She'd be mad. Well, gotta take care of this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and they want me to play, search, for really hard, and they left. Oh. Okay then. Sad now. Well, guys, thanks again for this nice, lovely, shiny membership. Mirror account. Sorry. I'm yawning. So maybe I'll use this a little bit more in my videos because this is amazing. Well, bye-bye. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.